it's MK and welcome back to another quick and easy layout from the No Fuss clustering class that is currently going on with Janet, Fritz, and myself. Today I am showing you guys another uber super fast, quick, and easy show of how I plan on using these pre-made embellishments on a layout. Now, as you can see, the embellishments are all pre-made. I have a little bit of extra hearts and bees and things to add as sprinkling, but my layout has not been done yet. So I've had a lot of questions about how on earth do I add all of these pre-made embellishments? Like, how do I know how to put these clusters together and then they work on your layout? You guys, I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know how this is all supposed to be laid out or anything. It's just something that I enjoy doing because clustering makes me feel happy. And then I just add them to a layout where I see fit. It is kind of simpler to design the layout around what embellishments you might already have. So that might be the trick of the fact that I already know what my embellishments look like, so I kind of know where to place things on a layout. For this particular layout, I am going to be using an 8.5 by 11 page for, oh, I thought I cut it at 7.5 there for a sec. Woo, that would have been scary. Sorry, I shouldn't watch myself cut as I'm trying to talk. But anyways, that might be something that I do keep in the back of my brain, but it's not something that I am consciously aware of doing. I hope that makes sense in some way. So for this particular layout, I am using all of the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Country Harvest collection. I have the papers as well as the embellishment clusters that I have pre-made. So I am going to be using this beautiful dark wood as my base for my layout. I'm going to have this leaf pattern or print as just a left justified design, and then I'm going to use where I ripped off the gingham, the aqua gingham. I'm just going to use that as an element. Nothing much. I backed my photo with that beautiful yellow. I love this yellow in this collection, you guys. It is just such a warm yellow. It just makes me happy. I'm going to barely put any adhesive behind my photo, so that way I can move it around and shift it where I need it to be shifted, tuck things behind it, things like that. So again, I am doing a left justified layout for these particular embellishment clusters. And one of the things that I keep in mind is because I have such blank space over on the right, I always try to do something either in the upper right hand corner or the lower left hand corner. And for this particular, or lower left, oh my goodness, I give up. For this particular one, it's going to end up in the lower corner. I don't know if it's left or right anymore because I don't even know what direction I'm sitting down at. Okay, and also for this one, I'm not going to be adding any papers or anything like that, but seriously, I just decided that I want all of my embellishments to go in a nice diagonal from the upper right down into the lower left, and that is it. And again, my dead space over in the lower right will be covered up by another smaller embellishment. And I'm going to sprinkle down some of these gorgeous, I love the print on these hearts. I'm not too keen on the hearts, but I am keen on the print. That plaid is just to die for. Oh my goodness, I love that so much. Just the color combination. I love the orange and the blue mixed together. It's just beautiful. Also, too, one of the things that I'm not too worried about is adding or having the embellishments fall off the page and then just trimming them off. So then they definitely look like they were made for that page. Another little thing I'm going to be adding is some white sprinkles. This is Dina Wakely acrylic spray in just, she calls it white. Yeah, plain and simple. Don't need much after that. So I think that the splattering definitely adds to the clustering. You can either splatter before or after, but because I didn't know where any of these embellishments were going to go, Yeah, I did the splattering afterwards. And that's it for my layout, you guys. The sprinkling definitely also helps fill in the teeny tiny little gaps that you may have created because of the pre-arranged clustering. So I definitely think that the little sprinkles do help add to it. But another quick and fun layout for you guys today, showing how I use pre-made clustering. All right, thank you so much, and I'll check y'all later. Bye.